Let us see what are lists. A list is a data structure having components of mixed data types. A vector having all elements of a same type is called atomic vector, but a vector having elements of different type is called a list. Lists can be created using the list function. So let's start creating a list. Create a list. Let's create a list X. Use a list and let me just name it as list as A. I'll just give some value. Okay, not this thing. It will be equal to 2.5 comma. Let me just name this as B equals to true comma C equals to, again to be quotes, C equals to 1 2. Let's print X. You can see the list. So A is 2.5, B is true, and C is given as 1 2 3 4, which is a sequence which we have printed. Let's check the structure of our list. Str of X. First is the numeric, second is the logical, third one is int. Remember in the previous sessions, if you have seen, whenever you try to add one or more data type in a single vector, so it was to convert it in only into a one vector. If it was a character vector with some numbers and all, so everyone has to use to convert into a character vector. But in list, you can add more than one type of data types. In this particular example, A, B, and C are called tags, which makes it easier to reference the component of a list. However, the tags are optional, but we can create the same list without the tags. Let's create, and I'll use the same thing. I'll just remove the A, B, C afterwards. Let's print X. Let's print the structure of X. In this particular scenario, the numeric indices are used by default. So here you can easily see 1 is given assigned to 2.5, 2 is assigned to true, and 3 is assigned to 1 2 3 4.